Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Bobbi Boss Nu Locs on the market. The Bobbi Boss synthetic hair crochet braids from the African Roots braid collection, specifically the 24-inch Nu Locs in the off-black 1B color. If you're searching for high-quality, easy-to-install synthetic locks that look natural and give you that flawless protective style, this might just be the product for you. Right out of the package, these Nu Locs stand out because of their handmade finish. Each strand is uniquely crafted, giving them a very authentic, natural look and feel. The texture is soft and realistic, which makes styling and handling a breeze. You won't find the synthetic stiffness here that some other brands struggle with. Instead, you get a natural softness that mimics real hair closely. One of the biggest advantages of these locks is the pre-made loop at the base. This feature makes the crochet installation process super simple and time-saving. Whether you're a professional stylist or someone who loves doing your own hair, the crochet interlocking technique combined with the pre-made loop means you can achieve a secure and flawless install with less effort. It's designed for effortless installation, so you don't have to spend hours twisting or braiding. At 24 inches in length, these locks offer a versatile style that's long enough for impressive looks but not so long that they become heavy or cumbersome. The length also allows for various styling options, from updos to loose, flowing styles. Plus, the product is heat-friendly with an excellent hot water setting. This means you can easily create beautiful, defined curls or waves in seconds by dipping the locks in hot water, adding even more dimension and style possibilities. The Bobbi Boss Nu Locs are made from high-quality synthetic fibers designed to hold up well over time. Their durability is impressive, especially considering the softness and natural look they maintain. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear, which is key for protective hairstyles that you want to keep on for weeks. The packaging contains 20 strands per 6-pack, which is typically enough for a full head install, depending on the desired fullness and style. This makes it convenient to purchase without worrying about running out halfway through your styling process. The brand Bobbi Boss has a strong reputation for delivering quality hair products, and these Nu Locs are no exception. If you're looking to switch up your look or want a protective style that looks effortless and natural, these synthetic Nu Locs from Bobbi Boss offer a fantastic blend of ease, style, and quality. Whether you want to try the crochet braids method for the first time or are a seasoned pro looking for a reliable product, this collection delivers in all the right ways. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs 24-inch synthetic crochet braids, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.